Hello you guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. Today's Adobe Illustrator class is going to be over our shading of shapes. We're going to be creating shapes that look a little more 3D. I'm going to show you how to do some of that shading and some of those neat little tips and tricks for you to get the project a little more into your work. Alright, if you want, you can go ahead and join me right into our tutorial today and see you there.
Hello you guys, I am so glad that you're here again with me today. I am actually going to be doing something a little different as far as this graphic tutorial is concerned. This graphic tutorial is going to go over shading. It is going to show you how to create some depth in your images as well as to give your flat looking one color shapes some definition. So I do hope you enjoy this tutorial. As I said before, it's gonna be a little different, so I'm not gonna walk you through it. You can kind of take a look here and kind of follow that workflow. What I'm actually going to do today is go over some information for you. I am hosting classes on Zoom. Some of you are aware because you have watched my other videos, but if you're not aware, I am teaching a online course in June for Adobe Illustrator Accelerated course. As part of that launch, I will be doing 4 demo classes, 2 of which have already concluded. One was on the 16th and one was today on the 17th. These classes are going to give you an idea of my teaching style and how the classes will be conducted in June. If you're interested in joining up for the last set of classes, please go ahead and comment below and I'll send you the information. You can also take a look. I have my Instagram as well as my email and my Facebook group that is started for this class. If you're interested in any of those, feel free to join any of those platforms. I am going to be able to give you information in regards to the class, but I will say time is of the essence. It is first come, first serve for that class, so do be aware. Now, the Adobe Illustrator class is going to be held, as I mentioned, in June. Open enrollment is from May 1st to May 31st, so we're almost more than halfway through that open enrollment. It is going to be an 8 to 10 week course of teaching time. You have unlimited access to the recorded classes and tutorial materials. Now, a lot of the designers here who are watching my tutorials are beginner designers. Some of you are advanced. This course is developed for all of the above. So we're going to start really basic and then move into our more advanced tutorials. This is going to allow you to kind of get a refresher for some information that you may have already known, or even find out some new information that you didn't know. For the more advanced topics, it is going to give you a lot of information about current trends, about setting up templates and also graphing. So we're going to go through the whole graphic department as far as how to create visually appealing designs. This course is set up to be a career starter. So if you are trying to make a career out of your graphic design work and you just have not been able to get there, this course is designed to take you from struggling to really actually making a profitable business. We are going to go over how to negotiate with clients, how to find your clients. By the end of the course, you'll actually be working with clients. That is how we have established the weeks to go so that you are getting the most out of your courses. As I mentioned before, the 8 to 10 weeks is going to be the teaching time. In that teaching time, we will be cramming a lot of information into that course because we do want you to get as much information as possible. As you know, most graphic designers do go to school and get a bachelor's degree. So in 4 years, they're getting majority of that information. But even then, they are going to our lovely YouTube to learn as much as they can as well. This course is designed to be all encompassing for the Adobe Illustrator. We are only doing Adobe Illustrator, so if you do want to do Photoshop or InDesign, you'll have to stay tuned. Adobe Illustrator is one of the most simplest platforms to kind of begin to teach you the tools and shortcuts. Those tools and shortcuts are translatable to InDesign and Photoshop. So once we do have those other classes available, you'll have a heads up on how to get those short keys done quicker. Now, in this course, you are going to be getting templates, portfolio templates, scripting, brushes, fonts. All of these things will be made available for you in this class. You'll also be getting a on-hands basis for customer relations as far as negotiating with your customer. We'll be giving you templates on your pricing plans and your niches so that it'll be a little easier for you to showcase your work and to find out what the customer is looking for. If this sounds like something that is going to be beneficial for you, feel free to comment below or follow those handles. I am available all week to talk, and I'll also be doing the teaching course again on the 23rd and 24th. So if you just want to get an idea of what that looks like and you're interested, feel free to reach out. I do want to thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to stop talking and allow you to really concentrate on what's happening here. And I will see you next time on our next 3, 5, and 10-minute tutorial videos. Have a good day.